How to set group messaging to send an SMS reply to all recipients and get individual replies, mass text on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, open up the Messages app. Next, tap on your picture profile. Then from the pop-up menu, tap on Messages settings. Now in here, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Advanced. In here at the top, tap on Group Messaging. Then in the selection box, select Send an SMS reply to all recipients and get individual replies. Now the other option that you have is to send an MMS reply to all recipients. This is the group MMS multimedia text messages. And that's it. After that, you can select that and then tap on the back key to go back to your messages list. I'll tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.